Today we're at the Google office here in Sydney, Australia, running a hackathon with many participants. Hi, my name's Herbert. I lead Endava's Google Cloud delivery across APAC. So a hackathon is essentially bringing a group of people together, whether they're technical or non-technical, to be able to collaborate and to come up with innovative and creative solutions.
Hi, my name's Saurabh. I look after Endava's Google Cloud business for Asia Pacific. Over the last few months, we've had the opportunity to bring our hackathons and datathons across from Europe into Australia and the Asia Pacific region. So usually we end up getting, data engineers, data scientists, AI engineers, those type of things that do come through. However, hackathons are for everyone, right? Anyone that wants to experiment with data, experiment with technologies, experiment with the AI pieces that are coming out with Google, they should attend.
What companies gain out of a hackathon with Endava is that you get to experience all the Google Cloud services, whether it be infrastructure or application or data and AI services that you get to use and experience that you might not get to use and experience in your day-to-day job. You get to have mentorship with Endavans, people who get to help and mentor you throughout the day to understand some of those tool sets, how to deliver some of those solutions, and also be able to spend time with others from other businesses and do cross-collaboration.
So Endava is one of our most innovative and supportive global partners. The fact that they have reach across the globe means that they work on the broadest range of customer problems and they bring real-world experience into our partnership. They really help us understand how customers use our tools and how we can always help to improve the quality and capability of our tools to meet customer needs quickly. Most importantly, I think they've got trusted people on the ground in every country, and they're able to really build trust quickly with customers and take them on a journey and show them how powerful the Google tools are. The data landscape's changing really fast. Business competition and the competitive landscape's changing really fast. So companies need to be able to experiment and they need to be able to answer questions about what their customers are interested in or how their products are performing in the market. And they need those answers faster than ever. And so being able to bring data sets together really quickly to pose questions and try and find answers and to be able to rapid prototype is really, really important.
Across the datathons and hackathons we've been running in this region, they've been very much focused around both data and AI. The tools we provide are the cutting edge flagship products that Google have. So we play with BigQuery, we play with Vertex AI and all of the model garden and AI solutions that has. We provide access to Looker, into data flow, into data form, into data streams, PubSub, you name it. Every kind of data product under the sun is available for participants to play with. And then on top of that, we've got Gemini available for people. We've got Imagine, VO3, all of the cool new AI platforms that they're also developing in each person's sandbox.
Hi, my name's Saxon. I'm a senior data engineer at Endava, and I'm here to help out today, bringing people up into Google AI. Google Cloud has from the ground up embraced the AI revolution. They've incorporated AI not just in their products, Google Cloud, Google Docs, Google Workspace, but also into their fundamental business. So individuals in the business will come along, use AI to improve their efficiency and to improve their workflows. And Endava, as a partner of Google, has come along for that journey and is taking those same approaches. At Endava, we're helping companies lift up into the cloud, and not just that, lift up into AI.
Hey, I'm Tom. I'm a senior consultant at Endava and I work in the delivery part of the business, overseeing a number of projects and essentially ensuring delivery excellence across those. The atmosphere is very alive. I really like the fact that the first thing I saw was multiple teams getting up and going straight to whiteboards and doing impromptu whiteboarding sessions. So there's a lot of collaboration. I can see a lot of great ideas straight off the bat.
The atmosphere in the hackathon today is amazing. Everyone's being very creative, everyone's collaborating with each other, they're whiteboarding, they're socializing even amongst the different teams, but also keeping a bit of competitive tension around there.
So my experience today has been really wonderful. It was my first time learning about agentic AI and I get to work in the Google office. I found my experience working with other people from different organizations a really amazing experience. I love the idea of collaborating and just working together towards a common goal and reaching that goal as well.